In recent years, the internet has become a popular way to make money. People are choosing internet-based methods to make money instead of traditional jobs. However, the rise of digital art sales and NFTs has opened up a new way to make money online. Digital art is an area where artists create and share their creative works digitally. These works can be in the form of photos, illustrations, animations, videos, and other digital formats. However, because digital works can easily be copied and pasted, it can be challenging to sign them uniquely. This is where NFTs come in. NFTs, short for non-fungible tokens, are a technology that enables the unique identification of digital works. An NFT is a digital asset on a blockchain that can be uniquely identified by its owner. This allows NFTs to uniquely sign digital art, providing artists with the opportunity to protect their copyright and sales rights. Digital art sales and NFTs have become a new and exciting way to make money online. Artists can benefit from selling their creative works as NFTs in response to increasing demand. Additionally, NFTs eliminate copyright problems caused by the copying and distribution of digital works. There are many platforms for digital art sales, such as OpenSea, SuperRare, Nifty Gateway, and Rarible, which are NFT markets. These platforms provide a marketplace for artists to sell their digital works as NFTs. Sales are typically made using cryptocurrencies, so artists must be familiar with cryptocurrency. To be successful in the digital art sales and NFTs area, artists must first determine the value of their works, choose the right platform, and be knowledgeable about cryptocurrencies. Digital art can take the form of paintings, photographs, animations, videos, or any other digital format. However, selling digital works as NFTs guarantees their uniqueness and enables artists to preserve the originality of their works. NFTs are abbreviated as non-fungible tokens and are considered unique digital assets. Artists can sell their NFTs on an art gallery or online marketplace. These marketplaces include various platforms such as OpenSea, SuperRare, Nifty Gateway, Rarible, and Foundation. Each platform may have a different customer base and provide different advantages for artists. Therefore, artists must be cautious when selecting a platform and understand its policies, fees, and usage rights. When determining the value of their works, artists must consider the time spent creating the artwork, its uniqueness, the quality of the materials used, and other factors. Additionally, they must evaluate the market value of other art pieces and set a competitive price in the market. Understanding cryptocurrencies is essential for success in digital art sales and NFTs. When selling their NFTs to buyers, artists can receive payment in any cryptocurrency. Therefore, artists must understand and use cryptocurrencies. Digital art sales and NFTs offer a new way to make money online. To be successful in this area, artists must create creative, original, and engaging works, choose the right platform, and have knowledge of cryptocurrencies. However, like any business, success requires time, effort, and patience. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.